Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Cecilia Sultami, NPM 2441201 from Accounting Class 24A. On this occasion, I would like to present about manufacturing overhead costs in the cost accounting course. Alright, let's get into the discussion. Definition of manufacturing overhead costs. Manufacturing overhead costs, often called factory overhead or indirect production costs, refers to all production costs other than direct material and direct labor that are necessary to support the manufacturing process. These costs are required to run the factory, but they cannot be directly traced to a specific product. In other words, manufacturing overhead includes all indirect costs involved in production activities. Manufacturing overhead is one of the three main components of production costs, which are direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead. These three elements are used to calculate the cost of goods manufactured, or COGM. Next slide. Characteristic of manufacturing overhead. Indirect in nature. Most overhead costs cannot be directly traced to a specific product. Example, electricity used to operate factory machine includes many types of costs. Manufacturing overhead costs consists of many different types of expense that support production. Required allocation. Since overhead cannot be directly traced to products, it must be allocated or applied to products using a predetermined method. And last, essential for production. Even though it is indirect, manufacturing overhead is necessary to keep the production process running. Components of manufacturing overhead. Manufacturing overhead consists of many indirect costs in the factory. Some common examples include indirect material, material used in production but not directly part of the finished product. Example, glue, nails, lubricants, cleaning supplies. Number 2, indirect labor. Workers who support production but do not directly manufacture the product. Example, factory supervisor, maintenance worker, warehouse staff, security guards, and janitors. And 3. Factory utilities. Cost of utilities used in the factory, example, electricity, water, gas, etc. Number 4. Factory rent. If the factory building is rented, the rental cost is included in manufacturing overhead. And 5. Depreciation of factory equipment. Machine and equipment used in production gradually lose value over time. The depreciation expense is recorded as manufacturing overhead. 6. Factory insurance. Insurance costs for factory buildings, machine and equipment. 7. Maintenance and repair. Costs incurred to maintain and repair factory machine and equipment. Next slide. Classification of manufacturing overhead. Manufacturing overhead can be classified based on several criteria. Based on behavior, fixed overhead. Fixed overhead costs do not change with the level of production. Variable overhead. Variable overhead costs change depending on the level of production. Semi-variable overhead. These costs have both fixed and variable components. Number 2. Based on function. Production overhead. Costs directly related to manufacturing activities. Service department overhead. Costs related to departments that support production. Next, predetermined overhead rate. Because manufacturing overhead costs cannot be directly traced to products, companies usually use a predetermined overhead rate. to allocate overhead costs. This rate is calculated before the production period begins. Allocation base might include direct labor hours, machine hours, direct labor costs, number of unit products. That's all my presentation about manufacturing overhead costs. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.